Hello guys, I will be training by kicking balls to the stand. Starting with a stand facing the direction of movement of the ball. Okay, put the pivot foot beside the ball with your knees slightly bent. Okay, that the attitude of the foot, hands at your seat, return, torso and relax. Okay, ankle that will be used to kick back, down and movement. Okay, the view is concentrated on the ball. Okay, pull the leg that will be used to kick that back and then swing forward in the direction of the ball. Okay, use a foot on the back foot, point right in the middle